Are you fed up with annoying accounts on TikTok? In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily block someone on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then find the user that you want to block. You can search for their profile or find it on the TikTok For You page. Once you are in their TikTok profile, tap on the share icon at the top right corner of the screen. And now you'll see the block option. So go ahead and tap block. And then it will show this little pop-up. Simply tap block one more time to confirm your action. And now I've successfully blocked this person on TikTok. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.